Alright, today is October 13th. Yeah, Monday. Hey, it's about 1:15 p.m. and I'm in Kailua. Wow. Yeah. So, okay. Let's see, there's a Tanaka Ramen and Izakaya. So, I decided, yeah, I'm gonna eat here. And, oh yeah, about 87 degrees, right? And 67 humidity. And then 11 miles per hour wind condition. Alright, so let's go in. Let's go close up and yep. Alright, so this is a place, and oh, we can't even eat outside. Yeah, there's a seating area right there. Okay, and where is this? Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 4:30. Except holidays. Oh, today's holiday. Fries, kind of chicken, 3-piece. Okay, Tanaka Classic, garlic Tanaka Curry, spicy, pork char siu, combo. Oh, okay. So, yeah, right here. Ah, okay, we'll take a look inside. Take a look. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, one person. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll sit right here. Okay. Wow. Okay. The menu they got. Oh wow, quite a bit. Okay, I gotta go through. Yeah. Alright, so beer, drink menu, and seasonal menu. Okay, right. Combo menu. That was outside that I was looking at. And wow. Alright, so oh, their main menu. Okay. Yeah. Wow. They got all over the place. Yeah. Okay. Oh, they got quite a bit. Alright, so looking at this, I really feel like noodles today. So wow, this looks good. Alright. Oh wow, so much selection. Your own noodles, right? And pork katsu, curry don, and all this. And back of the menu. Okay, so curry don. I'm not feeling for curry don today. Pork char siu don, pork gyoza. No. Okay, make your own ramen. Oh. Okay, so toppings. No, too much choices. Okay. So chicken, spicy tori. That looks good. Okay, for one. spicy. Ooh, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Wow. Make any of your ramen spicy, and I go, okay, I learned my lesson once. I'm not gonna try go for the hardest. Tanaka spicy. Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Any question about the menu so far?
Oh no, still looking through. Alright, thank you. Okay, and Tanaka garlic volcano. Wow. That looks so good. You know, I came out all the way to Kailua, so I want to try something special. I know I'm supposed to stay within my budget, but I feel like, yeah, that one really hits it right there. Tanaka garlic volcano. Okay, I'll go for that. Tanaka garlic volcano. Okay, so I'm gonna place that order, and then, yeah, looking around. Wow, look at that, and that. All right, so I'll continue on once my food comes out. All right, so I'll pause for now. Alright, just in regards to this, I placed an order for Tanaka garlic volcano, right? And they say the spice level is already at level 2. Yeah, so I figure, nah, I don't want to try level 3 or level 4. So level 2 should be enough, right? Right here. So I'll continue once my food comes out, my noodle, which is Tanaka garlic volcano. Alright, my food bowl came out, and this is Tanaka garlic volcano. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste the soup a little. Spicy. Yes, right portion. Yes. I think pretty good that I ordered just the right. Yeah. And not too spicy. Oh yeah, thick noodle with the bean sprout. Oh, this looks like a pork belly. Good, it is good. Wow. Seasoning is just right. The soup is really good. Wow. It's hitting the right spot. Hey, this really is good. Wow, talk about perfection in a noodle. And here's the egg. Ah, wow, just the right. It's not boiled too much. Slightly boiled. Yeah. But the inside yolk is still not cooked. So it gives out a very good taste. Ooh. The yolk is really good. Wow. Wow. Really, really good. Oh, the soup base is so good. Oh, okay. has been good to the last bite and drop. It is very good. Wow. So I said thank you for watching.